Hello everybody and welcome back to my ClickBank series. This is days number 59 and 60. If you would, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time when I make a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Ebe Wazir, aka Ebe the Affiliate. And right now I'm doing a ClickBank series and showing people how to make money online using ClickBank by promoting their products using a source called My Lead Gen Secret. What My Lead Gen Secret is, it's a platform where you could get 100 leads every single day for $1. And to get signed up, all you have to do is click on the link right below this video. I'll show you here in a second. But also, if you're just jumping in, go to the playlist and start right here at this first video right here. This will explain everything that I'm doing. It'll explain the platform better and why we're going to set up multiple accounts. So what we're doing is, the case studies that I've seen is they have 5 accounts set up with this. I only have 2, and the people that have 5 say you need at least 2 to do it. So I started my own case studies with 2 accounts, and that's what we're doing. And there's a reason why we sign up at least 2 accounts, and I'll show you right now. I'm going to sign into my first account. And this is what you're going to do right now. You're going to click on the link down below that says My Lead Gen Secret, or click here to get started. I don't know which one it says, but you're going to click on the link and it's going to take you to get signed up. Sign up to your first account and then sign in to your first account after you get signed up. Do not create another account, just create the one account. Now, once you get signed in with that account, you're going to log in. As soon as you log in, there's going to be a link right here. Highlight that link. Copy it, come over here, add a new tab, click that plus button, add a new tab, right click and hit paste and go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to sign up another account, but you're going to use this. You're going to click on this box right here that says use my secret now. And then you'll just sign up your account, you put in your email and fill out all your information. Now the reason you're doing this is, once you do it that way, you're going to get 100 bonus leads every single day. So now my first account gets 200 leads every single day for $1 instead of just 100 leads every single day. So that's why we sign up multiple accounts like that. And for the people that signed up 5 accounts, their second account will have their own affiliate link. So you will take your second, you'll just sign up your third account underneath your second account's link right here, if that makes sense. So that way your second account will start getting 200 leads every single day. And you'll just continue the process. You'll sign up your 4th underneath your 3rd and your 5th underneath your 4th. There is a $30 sign up fee for each account that you do make, and it's a one-time fee. So be expecting that, but after that, it's going to be $1 a day. And the purpose of this is we're building up a massive email list. We're not doing this to get rich quick. So starting off, these first couple of months are going to be rough, because you're building a list. Right now, you don't have anybody, so you're not going to get any. Well, you could. I'm not going to say you're not, because anything is possible. But the sales aren't going to be trickling in till months and months down the road. So just think about, if you're jumping into this, be in it for the long run. Don't hop in it, try to be like, oh, well, that didn't work, and then quit, because it is going to be slow when you first start off. So just be patient. This is a game of patience. And I'll show you right now, I built this list up to 39,800 leads. So just think about that. And I haven't even done it a year yet. I've barely done it over half a year. So that's amazing. All right. So also I have a high ticket product that I sell, and you can watch the series right here, the high ticket affiliate marketing series. I walk you through step by step, kind of like I do here. And I also have one for the all-in-one $25 business. So be sure to check those out as well. All right. So I'm going to go to my ClickBank and I'm going to log in. All right, we did not get a sale, so let me go to my stat sheet. My ClickBank stats. We're in July now. I need to rename this one. Make this July. So for July 1st. So what you need to do is you need to create you an account nickname. That's the way you're going to get paid. And after you create you an account nickname, go ahead and click on it. I'm going to close the tab because I don't need it anymore. I'm going to close this tab. We don't need it anymore. And then up here, I'm going to click on reporting. And I'm just going to check some stats real quick. I got 5,323 hops. No sales. All right, and I'll fill out the bottom. So there was the end results for June, since June is over with, in case you all didn't catch that yesterday or the day before. I ended up making $67.37, which was a $7.37 profit that month. Profit is profit. I'll take it. All right. So I'm going to come back as soon as my computer stops messing up. I'm going to check my tracking IDs. I didn't have a tracking ID, but I'm going to check them anyways because I know I sent out emails with them down the line. So some people don't open up emails the day you send them. They wait a couple days. All right. So even though this first one got more hops, as you can see right here, that's the first account. The second account's the one that was getting some sales. So even though we don't have as many leads, it's the one that's producing the sales. All right, so now we're going to pick the product that we're promoting. We're going to click up here on Marketplace up here at the top in the middle. You'll just click on Marketplace. And then the leads that we get from My Lead Gen Secret are people that are trying to make money online. So they're only going to work for one category, and that category is this one right here, the e-business and e-marketing. These leads will not work for anything else. So be sure whenever you're doing this to click on the e-business and e-marketing. Also, if you're promoting another product that falls in the e-business and e-marketing category, this can help you promote that as well. So it just don't have to be ClickBank e-business and e-marketing products. It could be any product for make money online. So if you got something like that and you want to use My Lead Gen Secret, go ahead, click the link, get signed up, get you some accounts, and get some leads coming in to your links. All right. So I'm going to close that. Let me delete it first. I always forget to do that. All right. So I'm going to click on e-business and e-marketing. Now, whenever you're doing this by yourself, you want to sort results by not by rank, but by gravity. And then they list them by the better the gravity score, the better the product, pretty much. So the one we're promoting right now is the live chat jobs. And below here, I got a list of some weekly emails that they send me that's not on the email swipes. They do have pre-made email swipes that you could use. You can click on the affiliate page right here. This is the product we're promoting, the live chat jobs. You can click on affiliate page. And the site is called Social Sale Rep. If you come down here to these email swipes, they give you 20 emails to use. I've already used those 20 emails, but if you're just beginning, you could start from here. They have headlines you could pick from, and then there's the email bodies, and they got 20 of them. I've already used those. So what I did was, hold on, let me go back to that real quick. If you fill out your name and your email up here at the top, they will send you emails like I'm about to show you. Like right now, the last set they sent me was set 22. So they done made 22 sets of different emails that are not in this email swipe. Plus you get a 10% commission bump. So be sure to fill out your name and email and get your 10% commission bump. All right, so I'm going to close this out. I don't need this because I'm going to use my own email swipes, but that's how you would use their 20 email swipes that they already have made for you. It's just that those 20 email swipes have already been used by us, and we're going to use some different emails. I don't want to keep sending them the same emails. So down below the video, you'll see something that says weekly email swipes. And they look just like this. And you can't edit it. If you want to make your own copy so you can fill out your own stuff so you don't have to do it every single time, come up here to File, click on Make a Copy, and name it whatever you want, then hit Make a Copy, and it'll open up a new page and you can have access to do whatever you want with it. And just know you can also insert links on here. I don't know if it'll transfer over. I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to try that one of these days. It's not going to be today, but I'm going to try it one of these days because you can insert links on here like I'm going to do in the mailing system. Like if I just clicked on insert and then come down to link, see I can insert a link, my affiliate link right here. So the product we're promoting is the social, what was it? Social paid rep, social sell rep. So I'm going to come back to my mailing system up here, the one that says mailing system. So I selected all of my leads. And right here in the saved emails, the last email that you sent, they're going to have the subject line right here. So start work today was the last email we sent. So I'm going to check my swipes. So this is the last email we sent, start work today. Oh, those were the only 2 emails they had for that one. I've already sent both of those out. All right. Well, check this out. I guess we are going to use one of these old email swipes again. So we're going to click on email swipes right here. I'm going to click like somewhere down at the bottom, like 8, 9, and 10. Because I know when I first did it, I did it for 7 days. So I did the first 7. Then I kind of skipped around. Live chat job for shoe company, $25 to $35 per hour. I'm going to click the $25 to $35 per hour. Then you're going to hit Control C to copy. Then come back to your mailing system and hit Control V to paste the subject right there in that line. I'll put a period right there. Then we're going to scroll down to this box right here, hit Control A to select all, and then hit delete. Now we're going to come back to this tab and we're going to highlight the body, the whole thing. Don't copy the hop link, just stop right here where it says signature, hit Control C to copy, come back over here, hit Control V to paste. Now up here where it says name, they have these codes right here. We're going to take the one that says first name. This is the only one we're ever going to use. It's the one that says first name. We will not use anything else except for the first name. So highlight that, the whole code, and hit Control C to copy. Now we just highlight this whole thing and hit Control V to replace it. And you have to hit Control V to paste in here. So that's why I'm yelling out the keyboard shortcuts whenever I'm doing it. Because if you try to right click and paste it, it's just going to pop up this box and tell you to hit Control V or Command V to paste. If you're on a Mac, it's Control or Command C to copy, Command V to paste, and Command A to select all. All right, and so down here, we're just going to change the signature to our first and last name. Then we're going to click this box that says perfect timing. Now what we need to do is we need to go get our affiliate link and insert it somewhere into this email. So in order to do that, we're going to come back up here to our the first page right here, to the marketplace. I'm going to click on, this is the product we're doing, the live chat jobs. We're going to click on promote. Now with this one, we're going to do the $27 version. I think that's the one that looks like an application. Yep. So we're going to click on the $20 version one. Make sure your account nickname's in there. And for the people that want to track, since I have 2 MLGS accounts, that stands for My Lead Gen Secrets, I always use MLGS as a tracking link. That's what I was checking at first. And with this one, I can add a tracking link. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in MLGS and then hit create hop link. There's your affiliate link. Once you get people to click on that link and promote it, and once you promote this link, get people to click on it and they buy from it, that's when you get paid and you make a commission. So copy that. Just click on this button that says copy. It's right by my head. And it will tell you your hop link has been copied. Come back to the mailing system over here. Any spots that are highlighted that says click here, we're going to highlight that. We're going to come up here to this link. And we're going to click on this link, or you can hit Control L and this box will pop up. Now hit Control V to paste your link, then hit OK. And there's another spot right here. We're going to highlight this, click here, and do the same thing. Click on that link, Control V to paste, then hit OK. Now we're going to click on this button that it's covered up a little bit. It says preview. I'm going to preview the email to make sure that those links are taking them to where they need to be taken. Make sure your account nickname's up there. That's how I know I'm going to get paid. Okay, those work. Now you can close the box and hit send email. Now I'm going to show you the fastest way to send emails to your other accounts. That way you won't have to insert everything again like we just did. Like I had to change the name, put the first name, and add my links. So I'm going to show you right now. We'll skip all of that. The only thing we'll have to add in is the number 2 for our tracking link for our second account. So stay logged in, just scroll up to the top. And what you're going to do is you're going to right click on mailing system. Do not click on anything yet. Just right click on mailing system, the tab up here, and then click on duplicate. Now, since we're supposed to sign out of this account right now, the second one, the one we just duplicated, but there ain't no banner right here. There's supposed to be a banner right here for us to click on account and then log out. If there's not a banner, just click on this big banner up at the top. Just like that, and then the banner will finally pop up, and then you can click on account and hit log out, but still stay signed in your first one. So now you're just going to log right back in with your second account. I know it sounds crazy, don't it? But check this out. Just bear with me. I'm saving you time. So just click on mailing system. We're just going to repeat the same steps. Click on mailing system. Click on select all. And then for the subject, now we can just come back to the first tab, scroll down, highlight it real quick, Control C to copy, come back, Control V to paste. Scroll down, hit Control A to select all, hit delete. Go back to the first page, scroll down, hit Control A to select all, hit Control C to copy. Come back to this tab, hit Control V to paste. And that's it. Click the box that says perfect timing. And for those of you that are tracking, all you have to do is double click on the little blue links that we just posted. So double click on those, click at the end of it, and add a number 2 or whatever account you're on. If you're on account number 3, add a number 3. If you're on account number 5, add a number 5. But this is my second account, so I clicked on 2 and do it to both links. Remember, we inserted 2 of them. So double click on that one as well. That way we'll know. That's just a way to track which account is getting the sales and which account isn't. And right now, both of my accounts have been getting sales, so they're both doing pretty good. All right, so we'll just preview it again to make sure the links work since we added those numbers in there. My name is still at the end of it. All right, my name is still at the end of it. Whenever I'm saying that, that's what I'm looking at. Whenever I say my name is at the end of it, make sure your account nickname is at the end of those links. That's why we're always checking them. And we'll scroll down, hit close. And all we have to do now is hit send email. And this one got sent to 20,000 even. And you can only email these lists once a day. So after you send an email, it will count down for 23 hours. So it don't make you wait the full 24 hours. So if you send, like right now it's 6:35 p.m. my time, I can't email this list again until 5:35 p.m. tomorrow. So there you all have it. That's how simple my lead gen secret is. So be sure to click on the link and get signed up. And thank you for tuning in to my ClickBank series. Be sure to catch me. I got a birthday party to go to tomorrow. I might try to make a video before I go. So you never know. But if not, I'll be here Monday for sure. So thank you all for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Click the like. All right. You all take care. Have a good night.